Tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the hassle and learn how to send documents for signature quickly and easily using Docusign. First, head over to Docusign.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a free trial. Once you're logged in, look for the New button, typically located at the top left of your dashboard, and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload to choose the document you want to send for signature from your computer. You can upload various file types like PDFs, Word documents, and more. Once your document is uploaded, you'll see a preview. Now, it's time to add your recipients. In the Add Recipients section, enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. You can add multiple recipients if needed. Underneath the recipient information, you can customize the signing order. Decide if recipients need to sign in a specific sequence or if they can sign in any order. Now for the magic, drag and drop the necessary fields onto your document. You'll find options like signature, date signed, initial, and more. In the left-hand panel, simply drag them to the desired locations on your document where the recipient needs to take action. After placing all the necessary fields, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click the Send button located at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Your document is now on its way to your recipient for signature. Docusign will automatically notify them via email and guide them through the signing process. Now you can sit back, relax, and wait for those signatures to roll in.